cane, ganito ha. Usually, yung iba palang cane, kung saan yung mas maluwag, usually, yung iba hindi din pareho dito, yung ano nila. Yung mas maluwag, ito niya, sa labas yun. Pero yan, okay? 4 inches. Di ba nakaganyan si pasyente? Anong unang gate natin? 2-point gate. Okay, 2-point gate. The device, okay, strong. Strong yung hawak. Andito yung device. And then ito yung aking weak. When 2-point gate, the weak and the strong goes together or move forward together. Kaya ayan, 1, 2, followed by the weak leg. Device and the strong, and then weak leg. Device and the strong, weak leg. 1, 2. Kaya siya 2-point gate. Paano naman pag 3-point gate? Okay? 3-point gate na tayo. Anong mauuna doon sa 3-point gate natin? Device, strong, weak. For example, ito na yung weak ko. Strong ko. Nakakaano kasi pag hindi ka. Okay, dito na kanina. Okay? So, ito na yung aking strong. Ito yung aking weak. Okay, so ano mauna? Device, weak, strong. Device, weak, strong. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yun po ang ating gate. Kahit na yung cane or quadruped crane or the standard crane, pareho lang po sila. Next tayo, walker. So, ano yung gate natin sa walker? 2-point gate. 2-point gate tayo. Diyan nakaganto si pasyente. Move forward the walker. And then, move forward the walker. And then the walker goes with the strong. 2-point gate. Nagawa ko ba ito kanina? 2-point gate. 3 agad? Ay, may 2-point gate dito. Pag 2-point gate, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Okay? Pag 2-point gate. Paano yun? Okay, device and the weak and the strong. Parang parehas din doon. Kaya lang gamit natin is walker. Device and the weak and the strong. 1, 2. Pag 3-point gate, same name lang po. Okay, so device, weak, strong. Device, weak, strong. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, parang partial na rin siya, di ba? 3-point gate, yung partial natin, so hindi na natin gagawin yan. Partial. Okay, 3-point gate. Next na tayo. Anong gate naman dyan? Dragging. Okay. Device, and then you drag yourself. Device, then you drag yourself. You ask the patient to drag themselves. Device, and drag yourself. Ano ba yung gate natin dyan? Swing to. Okay, device. And then drag yourself at the level of the device. Or jump at the level of the device. Forward the device, jump at the level of the device. When we say swing through, okay, swing through, device, then move forward or move yourself towards the device. Device, move yourself towards the device. Device, and then move yourself towards the device. Ayan. Meron pa? Okay. Non-weight bearing. Non-weight bearing. Okay. Device, and then weak, strong. Device, weak, strong. Device, weak, strong. Bakit weak ulit? Kasi ililin mo. Ida-drag mo yung weak mo forward. Okay, crunches tayo. So, we have the ipsilateral and the contralateral. Again, tripod position. Yung ipsilateral natin parang penguin po yan. Di ba? Ano pag-itsura ng penguin? Di ba? Diba? Ganito maglakad ang penguin natin. Ayan. So, same. Same. Kumbaga, ito yung weak at saka ito yung strong. Parehas lang po sila. Diba? Ayan. Kaya penguins. Okay. Hindi nyo nasasabihin yung strong or weak. Hindi lang sa ating ipsilateral. Okay? Sa contralateral naman, example, this is my strong. Okay? Or this is my good leg. So, ano magsasabay? Good leg and the weak crutch. Diba? Okay? So, again, good leg crutch, and then weak leg in the right crutch. Okay, so device and the weak leg, weak and the strong, the device and the weak leg, device and the strong. Okay? Ay! Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? 2.8 yung ipsilateral yun eh. Okay, so, ulitin natin, nag-ipsilateral naman na ako. Okay, so, ito yung aking strong. Ano yung sinabi ko? Strong or weak? Strong. Okay, ito yung aking strong. Naka-tripod position tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good, bad, bad, good. Good, bad, bad, good. Okay? Ito kasi ang nakakalito. Maraming nakakalito dito sa 4.8 na ito. Again, this is my strong. This is my weak. Or this is my good leg. This is my bad leg. So again, strong crutch and the bad leg. Bad crutch and the strong leg. Strong crutch and the bad leg. And the weak leg or the weak crutch and the strong leg. And then the crutch. Paulit-ulit lang po tayo. Okay? Ano pa? 4.8 ko. Ano pa yung hindi ko nagawa? Contralateral, nagawa natin yung kanina, di ba? Contralateral yung ginawa ko kanina, yung una. Contralateral yun. Next. Ano pa? 3-point gate. Naka-tripod position tayo. Anong mauna? Device. Strong. Weak. Device. Strong. Weak. Okay. Device. Lean forward. Strong. Weak. Or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ano pa? Meron pa? 3.8. Ano ba hindi ko nagawa dyan? O sige, diretso na natin. Ipsilateral. Ipsilateral. Okay, same leg, diba? Contralateral. Strong and the weak. Weak and the strong. Strong and the weak. Yan. Okay, 3.8. 3.8 tayo. Device. Strong, weak. Device, lean forward, strong, weak. Device, lean forward, strong, weak. But make sure the patient is looking at the forward, not at the floor. Okay, next. 4.8 tayo. 4.8. We have the good crutch and the bad leg. Bad crutch and the weak leg. Weak crutch. Strong crutch and the weak leg, weak crutch and the strong leg. Ayun doon. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya 4.8. Next one. Swing 2. A tripod position. Move the device forward. And then, move at the level of the device. Move the device forward. Move at the level of the device. Again, and dito yung weight not on the armpit. Move the device and then move your body at the level of the device. Next, swing through tayo, tripod. Move the device and then passing the device. Move the device forward and then passing the device. Move the device forward, pass the device. Okay, ano pa? Then weight bearing. Okay? So, ayan. Move the device forward and then jump. Move the device forward or drag yourself. Ayan. Move the device forward or drag yourself. Okay? Yung mga tip ko, hindi na ako ngayon. Okay? So, ano pa? Okay na?
Ma'am, sa 3-point game mo kasi yung sa una na unang week leg. Tapos yung ngayon,
Ay,
yung strong.
strong ba ang sabi ko? Okay, ganito yun. Sa crutch or sa cage? Okay, so ito. Okay, diba? Mauunang strong. Strong. Yes, always the strong. Okay, so device, strong, weak. Device, strong, weak. Or 1, 2, 3. Basta ang mauna, if possible, laging strong. Okay? After the device ang mauna, strong. Okay? After the device. Kaya huwag kayo malilito sa device. Okay? After the device. Hindi kasi siya pwedeng device, weak, strong. Device, weak, strong. Mapupunta lahat yung weight doon.